special asi akhoi gi diamond ga su compare to ba ya de adu yaw da hing ba ya da ba yai ko ba duna akhoi gi lamdam se yai gi lamdam ni aduna bo hana kanglai pak ta gi Manipur haina moin on grisi then what is the yai of Manipur Manipur se yai la yai yai la ja what is the yai of Manipur you ask to everyone public ta hang bio answer thizari
yes
I understanding da ina khangjaba lai koi WhatsApp group da su mayam da ina hang bani Manipur da yai di lai yai do question hang biyo adu gi reply mayam da gi lo dring isida adu je khoi gi da lai ba yai gi or ba lamdam sta khoi gi asset se kani no ha ba da indigenous plants of Manipur
yes
kanam da phangwa hida Manipur da lai ba mana mas thing se hida nga ta ni hai German asu study to ba loi khre India gi acho ba natural company na loi na khangi they want to come to Manipur because sigi hida lang thak sing se akhoi gi lam sida hodadi atai phangba sungam moi so there are a lot of interest to matam sida moina lakpa ngam desna khoi gi law and order situation jin maram adana invest
to ngam da ne
phau haire akhoi gi phaurel phaja phaja makhal si mayam le varieties mayam le so akhoi gi the richest asset of Manipur as of now is the flora and fauna adagi sangai rare yam lay bako adugi lyric mayam khoj phongjare and very luckily akhoi gi Dabur company na magi lyric ma chama gi brother in law scientist ne ma se mana phongjaba lyric to adu ubadagi moina laaga khoi 12 species hidak mayam se asigi moina thabiu hairaga project ma se present I didn't know about it adu I hojik phone la mi do September da moilo because moi khange ba sigi mafam se na ta de atai phangoi hana khange ba do no trying thoi to adu trying thoi do kari kai no hairaura yam nokning gani leipung khanga loina ba oghida akhoi saida phundok ba kabonapi panghaw hawe asida uram leipung khanga ko so adugma adagi Nageshwar Harika kok bel patra loina ba hawe aduna moina si thabiu hai ga yam nokning kabona bi je khoi di lepan
yan thani
so there are so many every plan of Manipur is special aduna asigi development da tawrakan se asida khoi soiden economic development la kani kamaina tawdoino raw material tawgadra adogi extract tawgadra this is number 1 food processing why ki home
yes
tawrisi food processing gi dia khoi government na su
morok khan bakani khoi
and varieties adugi di hoba hore awareness tawbadagi moma ga tawdana organic tawga khoi kanaba kharga phangba hore food processing industry gi ka lakba hore ko laktaba mayam ama lai
yes
medicinal plants adugi not only ayurvedic example am pijage akhoi gi singhi da yariba sangbrai asmanam jin nungsi angang oi de tore bako Delhi da ina kano gi biotic shampoo ma lay bako walnut shampoo adu da hoji sangbrai manam se lay ba so I buy that only because adu togan da ina adu na luza matam sa ko yum ning sengal
yes
adu gi sangbrai do loi hobani adu khina measure da tor plantation toraga adu extract lok toga essence yon ba da you can earn lot of money
yes
adu but adugi extract tona hona bagi expertise do adu government support to gadabani tawdraga na ina khuma me am adu invest to biyo thabak lem phangani
yes
so it comes to flora fauna now let us see Manipur is a landlocked state landlocked state di train junga nan da la ya du function to bangam de lambi is a lambi ani leba national highway se adum disturb to tana lay disturb to badana tana nong ju thada season na ba ya de because of natural thing apart from the crisis adudi akhoi gi Manipur sida kari no ba khoina tawdoisi what is going to be the industry kan achaw chaw potu puthok padu lambi du yadra bani yaroi then we have to concentrate on the small items electronics items Switzerland why they the richest Switzerland ghari da sai moi Switzerland long ne khoi ka sama nai India mingi adai yam labna lana puthoi so they concentrated on the Swiss anything Swiss is expensive Swiss knife Swiss gari Rolex 15 lakh gari ama flight ko pura lore so we have to concentrate on the electronic industry already aina angang wing ta bada already blueprint was there for Manipur and akhoi gi climate si am phai aduna air conditioning gi darka ta the so electronic industry can big boost to the economy of Manipur now internet is everywhere one is electronic another is IT
yes
information technology the world is all about this aduna Matek has got one very basic asset we have the brain Matek are very talented we are khud se ekta sing bane
ꯈꯪꯉꯨꯕꯗ ꯎꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯩꯔ
Yes.
ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄ
Aduna information technology internet do lagtare. Then what should we do? We have to emphasize on information technology. Asida irang also career so I internet to phangadi we can work from here and we
Yes.
can earn crores. So these three things to my mind is the most important faction which is going to boost up aside flora fauna siga agriculture ka mari lainare adu agriculture ki cheng du puthoga ina flight to puge that it is very expensive. So you have to consider on these small things. Adu ganda da investor also will come because this stuff oidrasu adu dia dum irailan ko export to bangamgani nangi IT information gi akoi gi brain me amdo taraga software ko na develop taraga natraga BPO call center adu gi consultancy taraga internet sta yums da phamaga I can earn crores. There are a lot of talented software hardware engineers so we have to provide the environment adu gi investment to chawanina what we have to do the government has to give IT park lare software park lare nobody is willing to come aduna city brain gi thabaknina lai so bagi specialized thabaknina hairaba haisingaba mayam do freedom bibiu.
Yes.
Don't control.
Okay.
Don't control artists or creative person they work best in the free mind. Because they are intellectual. They have to have the freedom to do things and to think. Don't disturb them. Aduganda da khoi Manipur economy se phajana chawkhatkani crisis to asu thoktrasu blockade torasu tawdrasu aduganda khoi loina chawkhatminagani. Three things I have told. Please remember.
Yes.
Khoi medicinal plants of Manipur and the flora fauna, teak wood, beautiful. Kabo Valley ra chakrasu still we are the pathway.
Man. Khwadiga choba sarugama.
Ahom jiningsing biu ko. One is the medicinal plants of Manipur. Yai haisage.
Yes.
Number 2 is the electronic industry has to be set up here.
Yes.
Number 3 is the IT revolution.
Yes.
That is yes. I have already given a paper on that. Hang bane. Yam line to boya ba thawang nei na.
Yes, adu makata jar ko je